Good morning, design champions. This episode of Making Design Stuffs is brought to you by the Organization for the Continuation of the Lives of Double Snappers. Every like on this video goes a very long way to helping improve the living conditions of a young double snapper. Use promo code SNAPSNAP for a 15% discount on all vanilla ice cream at your nearest vanilla ice creams. Thank you.
Hello, gorgeous.
Today, I got two things on the agenda. First off, we heard back from our friend Alex with the YouTube channel, Ambidextrous, link in the description below if you want to check it out. So we're gonna work on some revisions for that logo. And then second off, I don't know if you remember in your brain, but a few videos ago, we did some illustrations for rtweek, and we got a bunch of feedback, so what I'm gonna do is draw some more options, venture into the darkness, and see what light we can find. That was poetic. Okay, so this was the last round we sent off to Alex. So some of the feedback we got was, number one, we need to make the film either dark gray or black so that it looks a lot more like a realistic film. Second off, we need to tone down the reflections a little bit. And then third off, we need to figure out a way to make it look a little bit more like it's cutting. I think there's a problem with the perspective of the machete, but in order to fix that, we kind of would have to angle the machete quite a bit, but then it's not quite quickly as identifiable as a machete, so I think we're just gonna keep it like this. The laser sofa gave the suggestion of adding a little bit of a wind movement at the end of the machete, and I brought up that idea to Alex, and he said he liked that idea. One concern is just changing the color of the film to dark gray or black, because then it'll be like on a dark blue and it won't be that visible. So we might have to change the color of the bajiji. So that's what we're gonna try for that one. Okay guys, so this is what I got for Alex's logo. We'll send that off to Alex and get some feedback. And here's a quick photo of all the steps we've gone through so far. Thank you so much for all the input so far, guys. I think we've really been improving it. Yes, we are amazing. Everybody knows it. And they're peanut butter and jealous. Question of the day. Have you ever presented a design to a client and they didn't like it? I would love to hear whatever depressing stories you have to tell. Spicy. Okay, on to the illustrations for our Twizzy. Last time I presented you with these two options. Their vote was 49% for a drawn possum and 31% for a vector possum. So those were significant winners, but I think there was enough feedback, and also I'm very interested in seeing how the possum could look vectorized. Also, a bunch of you awesome possums thought that the background was way too complicated, which I also thought. Great minds think about eating froyo all the time. It was an idea by Conan. He said the explorer could be placing the yellow flag atop a mountain. That way there could be more emphasis on the character, and we wouldn't have to have so much jungle behind. And I thought that was a really great idea. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna sketch up the possum in vector. I'm gonna make a new drawing of the possum, 1-inch punch. Mi nombre es Li Xiaolong. Let's go.
Okay, so here's the new sketch. Yeah, I finished this guy. He's trying to put his flag into this mountain. I think the perspective's kind of funny because the mountain's pretty small. But he's a big guy, or he's just at the very tip top. Nah. He's at the very tip top of the mountain. Of course, that's where he needs to put his flag, so everyone can see that the yellow possum boy is the best color ever. Who knows? So, this one is all in Photoshop again, trying to do some drawn ideas, but I want to do a little bit different style than last time. Make the edges not as rough, and then do the details with a different line. You'll see later when it's presentation time for the class. Ooh, do you have your presentation ready? Oh gosh. That used to make me so nervous presenting to everybody. Whatever. And here I am in Adobe Illustrator making a vector version of it, because that is what we are here for. And basically, I want to make it It's pretty much the exact same as the drawing, but I made his eyes. I filled in the eyes, and on the drawing one, he has circles for eyes, so it's a little bit different. And I can't make up my mind, so please, if you wouldn't find it too much trouble or inconvenience, I kind of want to have some kind of background. I tried some light blue sky, but the light blue kind of blended in with the, oh, actually, that looks okay. No, I don't know. I thought it was all right, but yeah. So here are them right next to each other. You can see the drawn one has like some actual drawn line details, and here's what they look like, maybe kind of mocked up on the screen for you to decide. Okay, let me know in the poll right now whether you like the drawn version or the vectorized version. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, catch you guys in it right now. Goodbye.
All right, guys, so those are the options. I'm going to put up 2 more polls right now. One poll will be whether you like the vector style or the drawn style, and the other poll will be whether you like the scene on the mountain or you prefer a scene in the jungle. Let me know, please, in the poll above. That's it for Making Design Stuffs for today. And of course, this video was brought to you by Double Snaps. Make your life snappy. Alright, awesome possums. I hope you have a really nice day. Join us at 8 a.m. PST, Pacific Standard Time, for an episode of You Guys Rule. I've chosen 4 or 5 tasty designs to lick off the plate. Don't make that noise again. I'm sorry. I'm sure that was offensive. Alright, guys, stay awesome, possum, and I will see you later, alligator, tomorrow morning. Bye, guys.